Hello all you fellow scientists. Today we are going to be drawing a model of photosynthesis, similar to the one that you see right here. The sun's energy is needed for all of this to take place. So by the end of drawing this model, you should be able to go and explain it to a family member or a friend. Let's get this thing started. All right, we're going to draw a model of photosynthesis. So let's get our picture down first. So we're going to draw some land here. It's never really straight across. And we're going to draw our tree. Get our tree along here. So what we can do here. Try to draw a semi-lifelike tree. I'm a scientist though. All right. So we have another tree here. We need a sun. We also need roots. Here are all our roots. I'm drawing fast. If you need to pause the video, it's totally fine. We're going to need some water drops, just representing water underneath the soil here. Some water. It seeps down into that soil. We're going to need, this is going to represent our oxygen over here. And we need a couple apples as well. Now we're gonna color this stuff. I'm probably gonna fast forward this coloring, but here we go. All right, we're talking about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is spelled like, I'm gonna put it up here at the top. Photosynthesis. And photosynthesis is basically just what happens when you're turning light energy from our sun into a chemical energy, which is oxygen and sugar. So this is what has to take place. We're gonna put sun energy into this tree. So we have sun, which is our energy. And we're also going to put carbon dioxide in. Carbon dioxide is something that we breathe out as humans. Also, any other animal also breathes out. So carbon dioxide goes into this tree. Chlorophyll is inside the leaves here. And that chlorophyll is that green pigment in the tree. So we have chlorophyll going in. Actually already in there. We also have water that goes into the roots. So we have that water. And also the soil also has nutrients that also go in to those roots. So we have sun, which is that energy, plus chlorophyll, plus carbon dioxide, which I'm going to put down as CO2. That's another way of saying carbon dioxide. Plus H2O, which is another way of saying water. Plus nutrients, which is pretty fun stuff. Next, after we have, I'm going to extend my paper, even though you guys might not have that same feature. I'm going to extend my paper, and when you add all of this stuff together, photosynthesis is taking place. And what you get out of photosynthesis is some pretty cool stuff. We get oxygen, which allows us to breathe. It's that O2. So we have oxygen coming out. Here's our oxygen right here. It's a gas, and it also helps us breathe. And I put it down as this like gray little cloud here. And you also get glucose. And glucose is a sugar. The tree gets the sugar to be able to survive because it can't walk around and just pick up food. It needs food. It needs food, but it can't obviously walk around, so it has to produce it by using photosynthesis. So it gets glucose, which is a sugar. And this right here, this apple, is representing our glucose. So in essence, when trees produce fruit, it's kind of the leftovers of what they don't need, and it allows us to eat, which is fantastic.